Hello everybody, my name is Amanda Haynes and I'm a realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers. Today I'm in Oviedo sitting in this lovely loft. This exact floor plan will be available next month in an inventory home, and then there's some lots that you can purchase as well if you want to build. There are going to be two different floor plans, one available in May and one in July. So if you don't want to wait to build, it's the perfect opportunity. A lot of the new home builders have long waiting lists, so don't wait too long. Give me a call if you want more information, and stay tuned. I'll show you the rest of the home. This is a small community with just 37 homes and an HOA of only $99 a month. You're right in the heart of Oviedo, just 5 minutes from Center Lake Park. And the base price of this home before any upgrades are added is $493,990. You have a flex room just off your foyer. It's a nice size, about 12 by 13. Great for an office space. With this floor plan, you can have anywhere from 4 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 4 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, and 2,894 square feet of living space. So you saw you had your half bath over there to your left, and this is your laundry room. And garage. You have a nice open floor plan with your kitchen and gathering room, a big island, and pendant lights centered across your countertop. You're not far from the 417 and the Oviedo Medical Center. You have your stainless steel appliances and walk-in pantry. You have a gas stove, your dishwasher, and then your double oven. There's lots of recessed lighting throughout the home, plenty of space to have your dining table, the tray ceilings in your gathering room, just off your covered lanai. You're also zoned for top-rated Seminole County schools, Evans Elementary, Jackson Heights Middle School, and Oviedo High. You have the under the stairs storage space and your primary bedroom on the first floor. There's plenty of space to put your king-size bed and side tables. You have the tray ceilings with recessed lighting above, and your primary bathroom with a large walk-in shower, a nice little window up above, double vanity, and then, of course, your walk-in closet. You have your toilet over here. And what's nice about this shower, not only do you have a bench, a little window up above, but to turn on and off the water, the valve is over here as you step in, so you don't have to get wet. There's also a couple inventory homes available in 2 different floor plans, starting at 505, 205, that are 4 bedrooms with 2 bathrooms. This is your covered lanai. They have screened it in to help with the insects in the summertime here in Florida. And then you have your outdoor kitchen. Another nice park nearby is Round Lake. There's a boardwalk, you have basketball and tennis courts, racquetball. It's a nice little place to have a picnic. And if you have small children, there's a playground as well. I'll take you up to the 2nd floor where you have your loft space. Great for entertaining. You can see this nice big sofa can seat a lot of people. There's actually a pasture with horses across the street. You come into your 2nd bedroom where you have a nice full-size bathroom. There's a walk-in closet. And you have your shower and tub with your ceramic tile flooring. You'll typically see the carpet in the bedrooms. Since upstairs is not a big traffic area, they went ahead and put carpet on the 2nd floor. A full-size bathroom with the shower and tub that can be shared by your remaining 2 bedrooms. This would be your 3rd bedroom. You have your closet space. And then last but not least, I'll take you over to the 4th bedroom. So if you haven't yet checked out my YouTube channel, please do so to see more videos like these. I'd love to show you around Oviedo, the surrounding areas in Central Florida. Please let me know if you'd like more information or to schedule a tour to see this home in person. Again, my name is Amanda Haynes, and I hope to hear from you guys soon. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.